Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another JD channel video, in which today we're going to be working on, once again, the budget-friendly Integra and be installing some new speakers. In this video we're going to be taking off a few things, so I'll show you what you need and how to go about it. In this video you're going to be taking off the door panel, which I've already pretty much begun and am finishing it off. I just had to go get more parts, so while I'm still doing it. So, first, lower down the window. Easier. I would suggest lowering the window at least. So, this piece, black piece, so it's right here, which I'll demonstrate on the other side, just comes off by unclipping it. Make sure you don't break the clips, and you just basically pull it and tilt it. This one has a Phillips head screwdriver, which you just turn it, and then since it's plastic you pull it out. I broke mine, so it's not there no more. Then in here there's a screw. There's a piece of clutch pad in there. There's a screw hole with a Phillips head there, as well as right here. To take this off you use a flathead screwdriver, and you pull that off, then it'll come right out. And then basically from there you take it from the right side on and just take off the panel. I'll demonstrate this with the right side once I get there, but at least you just know it's like one Phillips here after taking off the cover, one Phillips here, this, pull this off, and then clips. Let's get to work. And I would highly suggest, because the speakers do have their own harnesses, so you don't have to cut new wires, get a Metra harness and just make things simpler. Now as you're removing the door panel, don't forget to disconnect the harnesses so you don't rip them. The panel for the door lock will come off, and then once you open it you'll notice, which I already took out the stock speaker last night and I'm just finishing it up because I discovered the harness. Your car probably came with 5 by 1/4. To do a 6.5 you gotta unscrew the 1, 2, 3, 4 screws to remove the holder plate, because you'll notice 6.5 will not mount in there obviously. Then from there you're just going to put it in with the harness. As you can see, this is the OEM harness, and then the cable and the adapter. You go screw it in to place where the mounts went, and then before you tidy everything up, test the speakers. Now once you take off the door card, you're going to see the speaker is going to be in here with the holder. The holder does not hold the traditional 6.5, well, it holds the 6.5 that came with the car, but the aftermarket ones having a big back don't fit. You could try to bolt it onto this, but you'll notice it won't bolt in. So what I did was I broke off the back part, because it was like, I'll show it from the other side. It's like very narrow, pretty much it ends right there where that jagged piece is. So I broke that off so I can just screw this in and screw the speaker on, because otherwise you're going to keep trying to install your aftermarket speaker and it won't fit. I basically hit this with a hammer and broke it off. So now I'll screw it in. Now go give it a test.
You see?